Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Crystal Zodiac palette again. I started thinking about this the other day. I want to do a purple and yellow look. So I'm thinking the Amethyst shades matte and shimmer, the Lapis shades matte and shimmer, the amber matte and the Citrine shimmer are like something that I want to try. I haven't really ever done purple and yellow. I usually do purple and green, but I figured we could try it out and see. The lipstick that I'm wearing is actually Bewitched from Wet n Wild. It's a little bit too blue, so I did throw in some enamel red from, this is the Loreal Color Riche Shine. So I threw in just a little bit of that on top and kind of like blended it together to make it a little bit more purple. And I did use the Punch eyeliner from ColourPop in my waterline for a yellow effect. I probably won't talk through most of this because I want to just jam out to music. Currently we have no internet. We've been having internet issues, so if you hear like doors or whatever in the background, I might mute the background noise so you guys don't hear it. But we do have somebody here from Comcast working on our internet. So he has been given free rein. Dad's out in the yard and of course I'm in the house. So he'll be coming in and out working on the systems and stuff like that. So I'm gonna probably do two different looks like usual, but I'm gonna try and use the same shades. So we'll see how this turns out. And I will zoom you guys in closer so you guys can get a close-up look of my eyes as I'm working, and I will try and show you what I'm dipping into in the palette when I dip in. But I do know that the first shade I'm gonna start off with is the Amber Matte, which is that yellow shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Let me know other color combos that you want to see with purple, because I want to do more looks with purple, but I want to like mix them with like other shades. So usually, like I said, I use purple and green. Today I'm using purple and yellow. And if you have other color combos that you want to see with purple, let me know because I'm open to suggestions. Alright, so this is the finished look. I only used 3 shades. I used 4, my bad, 4. I used the Amber Matte shade. I used the Lapis Matte shade, which is this one right here, this like lighter purple. I used the Citrine Shimmer and the Amethyst Shimmer. So I used 4 shades for this look, and they look completely different. Which, you know, I think is something that I'm trying to teach you guys, that if you have these if you have palettes at all, just by where you place them, how you apply them, just the simple application techniques can change the entire look. When I was using this Tetris brush from Ipsy, I was down here at the very end, which means it's the lightest amount of pressure. You're gonna get like wispy looking color, and I was like doing this and doing this, and I was doing this. So I was doing, instead of just like standard windshield wiper motions, I also come here and I go up and down to blend the color from here up. And as I go up, it's like the lighter amount of pressure is going up on this like bone that I have right here. Just by simple techniques of application, light versus harder grips on your brush. Where you hold your brush is going to also make a difference on how the shade looks. If I was to hold the brush all the way up here by the ferrule, it's going to be a lot more rich in pigment. The color would probably stick to my skin a little bit deeper. Blending it out might be also a little bit of an issue. So I find that if I'm working with darker shades, or I want a really light, like feathery kind of color, I use the end of the brush and I let the brush do the work for me. If I hold it here, then that means I want a pretty good like medium type buildable color. And if I want something like real punchy, I go all the way up here onto the ferrule. I've even seen people hold their brushes like this to get, you know, richer pigment. And it just depends on how much pressure you apply, how tightly you hold your brush. Also can affect the amount of blended ness, I guess you could say, for your shadows. So keep that in mind. I ended up dirtying 3 brushes. Yesterday I did a makeup look and I used 1 brush. So I don't have very many dirty brushes right now, which is kind of nice. But I keep mine washed up anyway, so I'm one of those weirdos. This is the finished look for 2 different looks using purple and yellow shades using the BH Cosmetics Crystal Zodiac palette. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Would you wear either of these 2 eye looks? I mean... Hey guys, it's Rebecca. So today's makeup look is purple and yellow. Let me come back here so you guys can see. I usually do purple and green, not purple and yellow. And the lip is a combo between Wet n Wild and the L'Oreal Color Riche. The Wet n Wild shade is called Bewitched. I'm trying to come over here where there's a little bit of sun peeking through the clouds. Well, not clouds, trees. Majority of our yard is trees. There we go. Maybe. Hey, some direct sunlight. I used the same shades from the palette. I used the Crystal Zodiac palette from BH Cosmetics, and I used the Lapis matte, the Amethyst shimmer, the Citrine shimmer, and the Amber matte to create this eye look. I did 2 different eye looks using the same shades. That way you guys could see different color placements, different application techniques with using the same exact shades, so you guys can maybe get some more use out of your eyeshadow palettes. But I'm really loving how these turned out. So anyways, it's a beautiful day. Look at how pretty the sky is. Pretty. It's beautiful out. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoy the makeup. Would you wear it? Let me know. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Hopefully you all are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are. And be like me and social distance like always. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.